Here's another Tootsie Toy I restored. This Greyhound bus from the 50s is a double-decker type of bus that the Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser station wagons kind of mimicked later on in the 70s. But anyway, this was highly chipped, and I thought I would restore it. The dark blue paint is darker than the original medium blue that would have been on there, but it is accurate so far as where the paint is placed. The blue over the roof cab and along the side. The white roof is how they were painted back then. Silver from the belt line down, and silver on the Greyhound dog and the words Greyhound. The wheels and tires are fine. The axle's fine. The rear end looks like that. The diesel engine had an exhaust duct in the middle of the back of these buses, and you can see right there that the level of the rear roof is a little off. I think this toy had been damaged at one point, but I did the best in painting it. And also that includes the bottom, which was also finished in a medium blue, now a darker blue. But this is a Tootsie Toy that was popular back then. I don't know how many exist now, but I had to restore this because it was in such bad shape, and it rolls good. So thanks for viewing my restored Greyhound bus.